This beautiful place is the puʻuhonua, or a place of refuge. If you break some type of kapu, you face the ultimate punishment of death. Your only chance of survival is to elude your pursuers on foot, make your way to the coast, and swim to the puʻuhonua. If you make it, and many do not, you may be absolved by the priest. During times of war, the puʻuhonua served another role, a sanctuary for children, elders, and other non-combatants. When the battle ended, they were free to return home and resume their lives, regardless of the battle's outcome. The puʻuhonua served Hawaiians for hundreds of years until kapu ended in 1819. It remains a sacred place of peace, calm, and refuge to Hawaiians, open to all who find their way here.